Struggling retail chain is at the center of what some people call a David and Goliath struggle between big and small investors. Well, GameStop used to be hugely popular with video gamers, but it's been hit hard by changes in business. Take a look. This was just yesterday. The Dow lost nearly 634 points. That's more than 2%. But there was a notable winner. That winner, GameStop. Stock up 134% yesterday, continuing an unlikely rally. Now, in less than a year, the company's stock has jumped from less than $3 a share to almost $350. CBS's Vladimir Duthiers reports from New York.
To Main Street, it's the world's largest video game retailer. But on Wall Street, GameStop is the latest battleground between the financial elite and small investors. Shares of the company have soared nearly 800% over the past week, driven by anonymous posts on the Reddit forum Wall Street Bets. Stephanie Mehta is editor-in-chief at Fast Company.
They're kind of sticking it to the big institutional investors, the hedge funds, by basically forcing the big guys to lose money because they had been shorting or betting against GameStop.
Here's what happened. All last year, GameStop was struggling, its stock selling at less than $20 a share. Big Wall Street investors saw an opportunity. They started shorting the stock, betting the price would drop. If it did, they would make money. But if it rose, they'd take a loss. That action angered small investors who used the Reddit forum to encourage others to buy, driving up the stock price dramatically and creating massive losses for those big-time Wall Street investors. On Wednesday, GameStop stock closed at almost $350 a share.
It is a company that sells products that are widely available online from other sources. It is competing against companies like Amazon. You can see why companies bet against it.
Some small investors said they made tens of thousands of dollars. One said it would help pay for medical treatment. But one major hedge fund, Citron Capital, says it took a 100% loss in covering most of its stake in GameStop.
What do you make of what's going on with GameStop?
I'm fascinated by it.
Jamie Rogozinski created the Wall Street Bets Reddit forum back in 2012. He says small investors like being the masters of their own Wall Street destiny.
There is something to be said about the fact that pretty much anybody can do it too, and watching them do it collectively is certainly a show.
But where there is reward, there is also risk.
At the end of the day, the best way to invest in the stock market is to either work with a financial advisor, work with a retirement portfolio manager. And if you do see a stock that you're interested in investing in, do the research and buy essentially on the fundamentals.
And it's not just GameStop. Reddit investors appear to already be moving on to their next targets. Movie theater chain AMC saw its stock surge more than 300% Wednesday after the hashtag SaveAMC began trending on Twitter. Vladimir Duthiers, CBS News, New York.